Hello, everyone. My name is Professor Stephen Greenblatt, and welcome back to our English Learning Channel. In today's lesson, we will learn how to introduce yourself in English. This lesson is very important for students, beginners, job seekers, interviews, meetings, and daily life. Don't worry, I will explain everything in very easy English, step by step. Part 1. What is self-introduction? Self-introduction means telling people who you are. When you meet someone for the first time, you introduce yourself. We introduce ourselves in school, in college, in office, in interviews, on phone calls, in meetings, with new people. A good introduction makes a good first impression. Part 2. Basic self-introduction for beginners. Let's start with very simple English. You can say, "Hello, my name is Ali. I am from Pakistan. I am a student." This is a basic introduction, simple, clear, and correct. Another example. "Hi, my name is Aisha. I live in Lahore. I am a teacher." Remember, speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. Part 3. Common introduction structure. A good self-introduction has 4 main parts: greeting, name, place, work or study. Let's understand one by one. 1. Greeting. You can say, "Hello," "Hi," "Good morning," "Good afternoon." Example, "Hello everyone, good morning." Name. You can say, "My name is," "I am." Examples, "My name is Ahmed." "I am Sarah Khan." Place. You can say, "I am from," "I live in." Examples, "I am from Karachi." "I live in Islamabad." Work or study. You can say, "I am a student." "I am a teacher." "I work as a shopkeeper." "I am a businessman." Example, "I am a student." "I work in an office." Full basic introduction example. "Hello, my name is Usman. I am from Faisalabad. I am a student." Very easy, very clear. Part 4. Self-introduction for students. If you are a student, you can say, "Hello, my name is Hamza. I am from Multan. I am a student. I study in college." Another example, "Hi, my name is Sana. I am a university student. I am studying English." Part 5. Self-introduction for job or office. For office or job, "Good morning. My name is Imran Khan. I am from Lahore. I work as an accountant." Another example, "Hello, my name is Farah. I work in a private company. I am a sales manager." Part 6. Self-introduction for interview. Interview introduction should be polite and professional. Example, "Good morning, sir. My name is Ali Reza. I am from Rawalpindi. I have completed my graduation. I am looking for a job opportunity." Simple and confident. Part 7. Introducing yourself with hobbies. You can also talk about hobbies. Common hobbies: reading books, playing cricket, watching movies, learning English. Example, "Hello, my name is Bilal. I am a student. I like reading books and learning English." Part 8. Short self-introduction. 30 seconds. Sometimes you need a short introduction. Example, "Hi, I'm Ahmed. I'm from Pakistan. I'm a student. That's it. Part 9. Long self-introduction. 1 to 2 minutes. Example: Hello, everyone. My name is Mohammed Asif. I am from Karachi, Pakistan. I am a university student. I am studying English. I like learning new skills. Thank you. Part 10. Important tips. Remember these tips. Speak slowly. Use simple words. Smile. Be confident. Don't feel shy. Mistakes are okay. Practice makes you perfect. Part 11. Practice at home. Now practice this at home. Hello, my name is blank. I am from blank. I am a blank. Say it again and again. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If this video helps you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing English every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson.